Situated on an oversized cul-de-sac lot sits 12202 Moorcreek Drive. Let's take a look around. This charming home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2 half baths, a game room, and a study. As you walk through the 2-story entry, you pass the spacious dining room, which features extensive crown molding. You'll love entertaining guests in the living space with wood paneling, a gas log fireplace, and a wet bar with a built-in wine rack. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, tile backsplash, double ovens, a built-in desk space, glass display cabinets, and under cabinet lighting. Off the kitchen is a large breakfast area with an eat-up breakfast bar. The spacious primary bedroom is located downstairs, and it gives you a sense of privacy with access to the backyard space. The primary bathroom features dual sinks, a garden tub, 2 closets, and a walk-in shower. Upstairs features 3 bedrooms with laminate hardwood floors, 2 full baths, an oversized game room, and a study. The backyard oasis features a covered patio with an outdoor kitchen, a half bath, and a large pool that is ideal for lounging or spending time with family and friends. Call us today so we can show you why 12202 Moorcreek Drive is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.